Thank you for joining us today and learning how to get started on myPATH for taxes and functions related to PURTA. In this video, we will discuss creating a myPATH logon. We're going to set up a myPATH profile, add account access, and go over managing your user account. You will receive a notice of PATH ID number in early December. You will need your PATH ID reflected on this notice to register for myPATH and gain access to your PURTA Local Taxing Authority account. When you receive your notice, you will need to start by going to www.mypath.pa.gov and locating the black logon box near the top of the screen. In the box, you'll need to locate and click on the Sign Up hyperlink. You'll see a screen showing what you can do via myPATH without creating a profile, and a list of actions that you are required to have a profile for. To continue creating your profile, click the Sign Up for myPATH button. You will be taken to the Electronic Correspondence and Communications Agreement page. Read through the list of terms, conditions, and certifications. Once finished, mark the checkbox next to the I have read and agreed statement and click the next button to proceed. You will be required to fill in your profile information. This includes your email, a self-created username and password, as well as a phone number. In the identification panel, it will ask if you are a third-party tax professional, which you will need to select No. You will then need to select PATH ID from the drop-down box for identification type and enter in the PATH ID number listed in your notice. For the name, you will need to enter in your county office name. Next, you will need to add account access for the LTA account. Select Local Taxing Authority, PURTA, from the drop-down list account type. Select letter ID as your form of account validation and use the letter ID located in the upper right-hand corner of the notice you received that contains your PATH ID. You may also opt in for electronic mail delivery here. You can change your preference for this at any time. You will then be taken to a confirmation screen where you will need to click OK to be routed back to the myPATH homepage. You will be able to log into your account immediately to complete setup. Enter the username and password that you just created into the login box on the homepage and click Login to complete your profile setup. You will need the delivery method in which you'd like to receive a confirmation code to complete your two-step verification. Select either authentication app, text message, or email. In this video, we are going to select email as our authentication option. You will then need to enter the email you want the confirmation code sent to. This should be received within a few minutes of the request. Once you receive your code, you will need to enter it in the security code field. If you did not receive your text, you will have the option to have it resent by clicking the Resend hyperlink. Once you've entered the code, click Confirm. To finalize your profile setup, enter your first and last name and then select a security question and answer. You will have the option to add a second phone number to your account, but it's not required to finalize your profile. You will also see a section to set up due date reminders for certain taxes. Again, this is not required to complete setup. Once finished, click Save. You have now successfully set up your profile. As the administrator, you will need to create secondary user access for your employees. You are also able to change secondary users' access level, reset their password, reset their two-step verification, and deactivate their access at any time. Start by clicking on the Manage My Profile link at the top right of the page. Then select the More tab. Locate the My Users tile and click on the Manage Secondary Logons hyperlink. select the add link, then enter the username and email information for the new user. At the bottom, you'll select the type of access you would like to grant the user. You may adjust the account access from this next page. Once the account access is accurate for this user, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation after your submission, and the new user will receive an email with logon instructions. The new user will need to select the link in the email to set up their password. Once they've set up their password, they can log in and they'll be able to file and view or just view reports based on the access level they've been granted. Please refer to our other Revenue 411 videos about filing a parcel and millage report to learn more.